Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's episode, we're going to be practicing Surya Bhedana and Surya Sodhana Pranayama. Let's get into the practice. Surya Bhedana, as the name indicates, enhances the sun energy. So it is an energizing practice, it's a heating practice, very good to practice before your dynamic asana practice as it builds that necessary warmth and heat in the body. And it is also good for people who tend to become very dull, lethargic or extremely introverted. However, it is always good to consult a teacher to make sure that this pranayama techniques is suitable for your body, for your practice and for your lifestyle. Let's get into today's practice of Surya Bhedana first. You're going to take your index and middle finger. Your ring finger, little finger are going to be bent, and this is your Nasagra Mudra. Okay, so you have your thumb, your ring finger and little finger to control the breath at your nostrils. So you're going to start off by placing the index finger and your middle finger at the center of your eyebrows. Start by closing your left nostril first. You're going to inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Close the left nostril. Inhale through the right. Close right. Exhale through the left. Close the left, inhale right. Close the right, exhale left. Slowly release your hands and open your eyes. So we've done 3 rounds, and if you notice, all inhalations were through the right nostril, all exhalations through the left nostril. This was Surya Bhedana. We'll do 3 more rounds. Let's try to inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 5 seconds. There is no retention yet. We'll begin Nasagra Mudra. Your eyes closed. Start by closing your left nostril. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Release your hand, come back to your natural breathing. Slowly open your eyes. So this was Surya Bhedana Pranayama. You also have Surya Sodhana, where you're going to inhale through the right nostril, exhale also through the right nostril. So we'll practice that as well. Again, Nasagra Mudra. We'll try to keep the inhalation for 5 seconds, exhalation for 5 seconds. Let's do 5 rounds. Placing the index and middle finger at the center of your eyebrows. Your left nostril is going to be closed completely. Close your eyes. Inhale right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third round. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Slowly release your hand. Come back to your natural breath. Very gently open your eyes. Surya Bhedana Pranayama can also be practiced with retention after inhalations, and when you do this you can also apply the bandhas, but retention and applying bandhas is definitely a little bit more advanced practice. So once you are absolutely sure that Surya Bhedana is a requirement for your abhyasa, for your practice, then you can start to explore by adding retention and also applying the bandhas on your retention. So this was your Surya Sodhana and Surya Bhedana Pranayama techniques. We will also be posting very soon about your Chandra Shodhana and Chandra Bhedana Pranayama. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.